Here's some critters I've been seeing under the microscope this month. That's a rotifer. They are funny looking animals. On the moss I collected at Walmart after taking a picture with Jenna Oliver yesterday. Alright. Newsome's out there. Need to charge my battery. 9%. But this is low power. And a water bear. Yeah, Crystal had it figured out. One of these mosses has a colony in it. And we saw tons of little ones in suspended animation, as we call it. I call them crystal water bears. And when I bead, I use crystal clear rainbow colors to make my water bears. She also asked me what these goofy things were. I told her rotifers. Damn rotifers, Newsom calls them. Because I see them before I see water bears most of the time. Wheeled animals. On the one hand, I love this little clip because it's so clear and you can even see bacteria. But dang, I hate that piece of fuzz on my lens. Is it worth $100 to get that fixed? Here's a weird looking one. Okay, there's one under medium power. Alright, you gotta come look at this, Newsom. This is a rare find. Bounce, 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 bounce. Guess what that is? It's a water bear egg.
I just wondered if I was causing a water bear egg.
Yeah. And a piece of dust on the
lens.
Yeah.
How do you know it's a water bear egg?
Because I studied water bears. Oh. And that's what their eggs are. Here are a couple of scanning electron microscope pictures of water bear eggs and a light microscope picture. What do you think? So, I did a search on my computer for water bear eggs and found videos I made back in 2018. On August 27th, Newsom, a whole bunch of North Hall Middle School teacher retirees, and I got to go visit Sandra Deal at the governor's mansion. Sandra and her bodyguard, Olin, let me go out to the camellia garden and collect some moss from between the cracks. When I got home, I put that moss into some water upside down so that it could hydrate. Well, lo and behold, water bear eggs. Also in that moss, I recorded several water bears, one of which I named Olin, and a couple of water bears with gyrobators. This last little clip is from Sandra's mansion moss, and I call those rotating spheres or gyro balls. I'm not real sure what they are, and I think they're in a rotifer exoskeleton. There you go. Here's a really good picture from the World Wide Web. There's our driver, Haley, Drew, Newsom, Carol, Teresa, Nell, Kathy, Sherry, Kim, Pat, Linnell, Nancy, Sherry, Buddy, and Sandra.